To think up. The meaning of the phrasal verb, 6 examples and synonyms. Think up means to invent or create something using your imagination, like an idea, a plan, an excuse, or a story. She thought up a clever excuse for being late. She thought up a clever excuse for being late.
He thought up a brilliant solution to the problem. He thought up a brilliant solution to the problem.
Julian has been thinking up new ways of raising money. Julian has been thinking up new ways of raising money.
We need to think up a new name for our product. We need to think up a new name for our product.
I'm sure you can think up a good reason. I'm sure you can think up a good reason.
The children thought up an amazing story together. The children thought up an amazing story together. They thought up a story. You can say, they came up with a story. They invented a story. They created a story. They made up a story. They dreamed up a story. They devised a story.
Now it's your turn. Think up something amazing today. Think up your own dreams, just like Dali did.